everybody, welcome to my channel. And yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. There's a lot of good deals. I was pretty excited to see what I got. I got stuff that I rarely ever get, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I did do a Hallmark deal. I got the CRT. I'm at the point where I'm gonna use them. There could have probably been a better deal, but I ended up getting 3 Hallmark cards. These were $2.99 each. I had a CRT where you would get $4 off 3 of them that are $2.99 or more. So I ended up just getting the blank ones just because I have so many seasonal cards. I don't need anything, so I ended up getting 3 of the blank ones for $2.99. I used that 4 off of 3 CRT. You would pay $4.97 for this, but then you get a $3 extra care buck, making it $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. And I think that is a great deal. I wanted to try this. This is the John Frieda Frizz Ease. This is Curl Mousse. I'm excited to try this. This is on sale for $6.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $4.99 for this, but then there's also a $2 Ibotta rebate. So you guys would get that for a rebate for $2. Comes out to be just $2.99. So I'm willing to try this because this stuff is kind of pricey and I never really get John Frieda stuff. So I was excited to get that. Now I had a couple of Vino CRTs and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to check them out and just see what the deal is. So these were $8.69. They were buy one, get one 40% off. So got 2 of them. I had a digital $2 off coupon and I had a printable $2 off coupon. So I used those 2. I also had 2 $3 off a Vino facial CRT or whatever. So you guys would just get both of these for $3.90 or just $1.95 a piece. I think is a pretty great deal. So I got the ultra calming foaming cleanser makeup remover, and then I got a clear complexion so stuff I can use. So we got that. Now you guys, I don't know why this Pepto-Bismol has just been going crazy lately. So my store did not have another one of this one. This one's $5.19 and this was $6.59. So these are buy one get one 50% off. The coupon we did have expired yesterday. So I had a $3 off Pepto, and I also had a 5 off of 2 CRT for Pepto. So again, buy one get one 50% off. I used both of those CRTs. I got these both for just $1.18 or 59 cents a piece. Now, like I said, it would have been cheaper if I used that other CRT or if I had 2 of these, but you know what, that's fine. I'm not complaining. So got a lot of those. I ended up getting the CoverGirl mascara. These were $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. I also used an 8 off a 20 instant coupon that's printed from the red machine, and then I had a $2 off CoverGirl CRT from last week. You would pay $3.96 for the both of these, but then you get a $6 extra care buck, making it a $2.02 moneymaker. I like mascara. Mascara is like the way to go for that stuff. Now, I ended up doing the Shea Moisture deal. Now, this is the deal where you spend $30, you get $10. Okay? So I ended up getting this one. I'm going to try this one instead of the other one. I always get like this color, but I'm going to try this one. These were $12.49 a piece. And then these were $3.49 a piece. I don't even... Oh, it's just a curl. So, anyways, I had 2 5 off of 2 coupons that we got in today's inserts. I had a 2 4 off of 10 Shea Moisture CRTs, and then I also had a 5 off of 11 CRT. So I was spending $30 of stuff so I could use all 3 of those, because one was for 10, 10, and 11. So as long as I made sure I had $31 worth of Shea Moisture products, I could definitely do that. So I used 3 of those CRTs. So my total came to $8.96 for the 4 of these. But you get a $10 extra care buck back, making this a $1.04 moneymaker. And you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get bonus points for that. But loving it, loving it, loving it. I actually like Shea Moisture. I just finished my bottle of Shea Moisture that I have. I got the Axe deodorant. The Axe deodorant was, this one was $6.29. This was $6.79. I did have a dry spray coupon, but there was no dry spray of the Axe that I could find. So that's okay. So anyways, these were buy one get one 50% off. So I used the buy one get one free coupon, and the cashier actually took $5.99 off because that is the limit of that coupon. So you would pay $8.69 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back. And you guys will also, you guys can also submit a to Fetch Rewards, and you'll get 1,500 points, and you can do that deal 5 times. If you click on the product, it tells you how many limits there are, so there's 5 limits on this. So you guys will get $1.50 back and $1.50 back, making both of these $3.69 or just $1.84 a piece. Now, this is the deal that I was so excited to do. I was originally going to just get 4 Hershey Kisses because I ended up having a 3 off of 12 candy CRT, and then I also received in my app a $3 off holiday candy. So I'm like, sweet, I'm just going to do this and, you know, do that. Well, here's the thing. These are 2 for $6. These are $5.29, and they're buy one get one 50% off. I had a $1 off CRT for lint. I also had a $2 off of 2 CRT for lint. I had that $3 off any candy of the holiday candy, and then I had the $2 off CRT that we got from our last week for this one, and then I had the 3 off of 12 candy CRT. Okay, my total for all 4 of these were $2.93, but you get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy both of these. So these came out to be just 93 cents or 23 cents a piece. So excited for this. My husband absolutely loves this, but we're gonna fight over these ones. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that, but I love that deal. So my total came to $0. I ended up using $43 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $25 back. I submitted $2 to Ibotta for the Frizzies, and then for Fetch Rewards I got 3,232 points, which is equivalent to $3.23 points. My grand total came to $12.77. I got 22 items at 58 cents a piece, and I think I'm close to hitting $9 for beauty, so it depends on what I bought last week that it'll carry on. So next week I could either get $9 or I'll get $6 for beauty, which is better than nothing. But yeah, that was my haul. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm pretty excited. I'm excited to try this stuff. I'm excited to try this stuff. So that was my haul, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.